The Voyager 2 spacecraft has finally bid farewell to our solar system. Voyager 2 left Earth in 1977, and for nearly 5 decades, it's been drifting farther than any human-made object in history. But in late 2021, something strange happened, something most people missed entirely. The most distant human-made object in the universe is sending usable information to Earth again. According to insiders and a handful of AI researchers, Voyager 2 may have sent back more than just routine data. No press release. No media frenzy. Just fragments, whispers, and speculation buried deep online. Anderson Cooper once touched on the spacecraft's legacy, but even he didn't see this coming. Because now, NASA has reportedly decoded a hidden message from Voyager 2, and the implications are deeply unsettling. Launching into history August 20, 1977, a Titan III Centaur rocket rises from Launch Complex 41 at Cape Canaveral. On board is Voyager 2, a spacecraft that will go farther than any object ever built by human hands. Voyager 2's mission began with an opportunity that comes only once every 176 years, a rare planetary alignment. Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune were positioned in such a way that a spacecraft could use the gravitational pull of each to slingshot toward the next, an energy-efficient pathway NASA engineers called the Grand Tour. It was bold, bordering on impossible. But it worked. By July 1979, Voyager 2 had reached Jupiter. It captured high-resolution images of the gas giant's cloud bands, the Great Red Spot, and for the first time revealed active volcanoes on one of its moons, Io, making it the first known geologically active object outside Earth. It wasn't just flying by planets, it was rewriting what we thought we knew. 2 years later, in August 1981, the probe reached Saturn. Its rings, once believed to be simple and uniform, were revealed to be complex systems with gaps, wave patterns, and countless embedded moonlets. Voyager 2 confirmed the presence of a hexagonal storm at Saturn's North Pole, a mystery that still fascinates scientists today. It wasn't just data collection, it was revelation. In January 1986, Voyager 2 became the first and only spacecraft to visit Uranus. The images it sent back showed a pale blue gas giant spinning on its side, with a magnetic field tilted dramatically from its rotational axis. It discovered 10 new moons and detected a ring system so faint it had never been seen from Earth. Then came Neptune, in August 1989. Again, Voyager 2 made history. It revealed a deep blue planet with violent storms, including one nearly the size of Earth dubbed the Great Dark Spot. It discovered 6 new moons and confirmed the planet's surprisingly active weather system, despite it receiving less sunlight than any other known planet in the solar system. These flybys weren't just check marks on a mission plan, they were a transformation of how humanity understands the outer solar system. Voyager 2 was seeing things no one had ever seen. No spacecraft has visited Uranus or Neptune since. But Voyager 2 wasn't just a scientific instrument, it was also a messenger. On board was the Golden Record, an ambitious time capsule created under the direction of astronomer Carl Sagan. The 12-inch gold-plated copper disc carried the sounds of Earth, greetings in 55 languages, classical and world music, natural sounds like thunder, wind, and animal calls. It included encoded images, people eating, dancing, studying, laughing. Scenes chosen to show what it means to be human. One of the etched phrases on the record, written in Morse code, reads per aspera ad astra, meaning through hardships to the stars. This was a message to whatever, or whoever, might one day find Voyager 2 drifting among the stars. And it was also a message to ourselves. The record was affixed to the outside of the spacecraft, along with a diagram showing Earth's position relative to nearby pulsars, effectively a return address on a cosmic bottle. It wasn't meant to trigger contact, but to share who we were at a moment in time. In a way, Voyager became Earth's ambassador to the unknown. For the next 3 decades, Voyager 2 continued its journey beyond Neptune's orbit. Most spacecraft become museum pieces or space junk once their mission ends, not Voyager. It kept listening. It kept whispering back to Earth. On November 5, 2018, Voyager 2 crossed the heliopause, the boundary where the Sun's influence gives way to interstellar space. It became only the second spacecraft to do so, after its twin, Voyager 1. Unlike crossing a planetary orbit, this wasn't a line you could see. Scientists knew it happened when Voyager 2's instruments detected a sudden drop in solar particles and a simultaneous rise in galactic cosmic rays. At that moment, the spacecraft entered the vast emptiness between stars, where radiation, plasma, and particles from other parts of the galaxy swirl in silence. The transition wasn't loud or dramatic, it was mathematical, electromagnetic, and cold. But it was profound. Voyager 2 had officially left the solar system. At a distance of over 12 billion miles from Earth, the spacecraft still sends back data, though it takes over 18 hours for signals to travel one way. Its power supply, a radioisotope thermoelectric generator fueled by decaying plutonium, continues to tick down slowly. Systems are being shut off one by one to preserve the last instruments. Someday soon, it will go silent. But for now, it continues to speak. Voyager 2's journey isn't just a story about space exploration. It's about time. A human artifact traveling at 34,000 miles per hour, drifting beyond the solar wind, carrying our music, our languages, our memories, still active, still recording, still transmitting across an unimaginable void.